All right, we're taking off the old cover and getting in with the new wet jet cover, so we aren't burning our legs with vinyl, and we wanted to get a different look on the purple one. So as you see, we moved all this, cut it away. It's no good, no need trying to save it. And we'll go back and remove all these staples, and you can take the seat cover off to put the new wet jet cover on. This is how you get it off. It's a little tedious. You have a shop do it. Should take them maybe about 2 hours. I can do them here in about an hour, hour and a half. Just all depends. But we're gonna put the new one on here and staple it down. And we'll show you the end results and give you some little tips along the way. But if you're not used to doing this, let a professional do it. Okay, once you get to this point, push these clips in right there and over here. And then you can start to pull your piece out from the top and it'll come out. You're gonna need this off. Put this on last and you can get the material off. There's staples in here, you gotta pull these too. But that's how you get that piece off. And then I'll show you how to get the back piece off. Okay, for the back shell, you're gonna have to pry these back and let these slip into here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta get all of these back, pry it loose, and then this whole frame will come off and let the seat loose. You're gonna do that with a flathead screwdriver and just some gentle prying, and get 2 loose at a time. Move here, get 1 loose, and then get the other ones loose. They'll gradually start to come undone once you get one. Just bend it and pry it back to get it loose. Don't go all the way. All right. We got them all pried loose, and then you can feel it start to come up, but I just wanted to show you what we did. Once you get them a little loose, start pushing the frame of the seat down, and everything will pop up. Voila. It comes loose. Now you can work with the seat. When you get in here, take your flathead screwdriver, hit the middle of the staple, put a little bit of pressure, it'll start to come right up. All right, we're on the front, still plugging away. Dig and twist, get it up. Work your way all the way around. In about 5 minutes, maybe 10, depending on how good you can stay at it, you'll have the back piece taken all the way off and you can work with it. All right, we got it all taken apart. We're gonna glue it. Some of your seats will have little cracks in it, but just put some glue on it and you'll be good to go. But overall, this is what it's gonna look like when it's out.